Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price predictions. This is an intraday video based on Elliott wave analysis, and of course we're gonna analyze the chart, what happened today on the 1 hour chart and the 15-minute chart as well. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Also drop your questions and comments below and I would be glad to answer it. One more thing I would like to mention, guys, is that you can follow me now on X for also much faster updates in case there is a very urgent update for some prices, some reversal and so on. Of course, it's gonna be much more faster with a post on X, so you can find the link in the description below. So starting with Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart, as we were expecting, of course, a drop at least at the 1.618 for an A, B, and a C. However, this wave C is very much extended. Well, it was already expected as well. As you can see, we are all expecting already to hit it. At least the minimum requirement is the 0.23 as a retracement. Of course, in case we want to, of course, hit lower, we want to seek for a zigzag. And in that case scenario, if we are going for lower, we cannot expect this to be an A, B, and a C anymore. We have to expect that this is already a full impulse towards the downside, and you have topped here, possibly with an extension for your last wave here towards the upside. Because we have, of course, we have passed these fib levels. Therefore, of course, this is not your expanding flat. It is much more higher than this. And we have to consider that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. However, your wave 3 is very, very long now, and we can see a very massive drop already towards 0.23, which is the minimum requirement. And of course, after this, we are requiring, of course, a 4, a 5 towards the downside. On the 15-minute chart, we can see that our channeling here with this, of course, a base channel, where we can see we have broken our wave with our wave 3 towards the downside, of course, hitting already some fibs here, but this fib was made for the wave 5, sorry. This fib was made for the wave 5, even we hit it in a wave 3. That's huge. I'm saying this cannot be your 4-5 because your 4-5, your wave 4 should be longer than your wave 2, right? Should be going back to your base channel. By all means, you want to see a longer and higher a little bit wave 4 hitting your base channel and then move for a wave 5. Therefore, this is an extension for your wave 3, very simply extension. So we are looking at possibly here, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 exactly, finishing a wave 3. And after this, now we want to seek for a wave 4 and a wave 5, hitting at least the 1-to-1 fib level in case, because now we just hit the 0.618, which it was supposed to be for a wave 5, so that much deep our wave 3 is. So we might see a very shallow wave 5 as well, hitting only the wave 1, which also, when you have a very extended wave 3 based on Elliott wave theory, of course your wave 5 might be the same length and price with your wave 1. And as you can see, if we hit this base channel again for a wave 4 and we drop again for a wave 5, this might hit perfectly on the 1-to-1 fib level, taken of course from the 4 to the 5, and of course with the same price of your wave 1. So therefore, we are looking for 3 waves up and then 3 waves 1, hitting the 66,726 at least. Your wave 3 has reached almost the 2.618 fib level, very, very high extended wave 3. In that case scenario also, you want to seek for your acceleration channel. As you can see, now your wave 3 is still inside the acceleration channel, and you want to hit, of course, the base channel again, where you want to see, of course, some retracement, it is very, very possible even that your wave 4 just hit the bottom of your acceleration channel and then it goes down again. So yeah, two possibilities where you might have this kind of a wave 4, or even a very fast and sharp one that it can range directly towards the downside. So in that case scenario, if we are in a very, very long impulse towards the downside, guys, then we are looking to something very different than A, B, and a C. We are looking to a wave 1 possibly, or a wave A here. And by all means, I will remove this and I will gonna put the wave 5 here as it was extended. Let's say, I mean, I don't know how it is extended, but it's simply extension, because as you can see here, we have wave 1 and then, yeah, where your wave 5 should be 5 waves, unless your diagonal is a zigzag. Can it be a zigzag? Is it possible? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, and then of course this is a zigzag. Yes, yeah, definitely it can be a zigzag. By all means, I mean zigzag. Every wave should be a zigzag, right? So as we can see, zigzag for wave 1, zigzag for wave 2, same for 3, same for 4, and the same for 5. It has finished. So by all means, this is your finished wave 5 now. And of course, that's why I said it doesn't look impulsive, because it was a zigzag. However, of course, we always need data to discover what was it exactly. And this is what we got now. We got some data that, okay, this is not an expanding flat. However, I always give the minimum possible scenario to keep you safe, guys, because if I give you already a big wave towards the downside and we retrace from here for an expanding flat, therefore I will be blamed, right? So I always give the minimum target that we can hit. If we hit lower, then it would be perfect. So yeah, by all means, now we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. In that case scenario, of course, we are looking for a wave A, and then 3 towards the upside, and then of course one more wave towards the downside as A, B, and a C. In another bigger scenario, it's your wave 1, all right, and then 2, 3, 4, and a 5, which is gonna be a very deeper short bearish scenario. And yeah, in that case, of course, you have to look a little bit wider on your 1 hour chart. By all means, you have finished your wave A, and then you are looking for 3 waves retracement, and then boom, hitting the perfect fib levels for a wave 1 and 2. And after this, of course, we are looking again for a bullish scenario, wave 3, massive wave 3 towards the upside, which it might wait until the 1st January of the next year, guys. It might not be possible to see some new higher high, of course, for Bitcoin in case we went very deep for this year. However, breaking this level, breaking this fib level here means a bearish scenario, where we are looking, of course, if we break it, of course, we're gonna break it with 3 waves up and then 5 waves down. This is the only way how you break it. So if we get this, guys, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you remember, the bearish scenario is a WXY. You want to finish a big zigzag towards the downside, where you're going to have 3 waves up and 1 more 5 waves down. So yeah, this is how the things are going to unfold with us on this channel. And we're going to walk with these, all of them, step by step. I mean, this prediction is like months later. So, but we're going to walk step by step, guys, of course, to see each candle, what does it mean on this chart. So again, to finish and recap, for the 15-minute chart, we are looking to go back to our base channel here. Possibly that we don't go back to it, but I think we will, because it's very extended wave 3, and in that case scenario, you want to see a deep wave 4. Therefore, of course, in that case scenario, you get also a perfect match with your wave 1 as well if you want to hit the 1-to-1 flip level for your wave 5 at 66,700. So that was it for Bitcoin price prediction, the intraday video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comment. Don't forget to subscribe on X or to follow on X, of course, for faster updates, because I can post sometimes some signals that it might be very, very reversal and might be, of course, very helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.